There's water fountain. Oh my goodness. That should be enough.
That should be enough? Okay. Well, I'm about to make it better here.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
It's exploding!
What is going on?
I'm cleaning.
Oh yeah? We need to do some work. Because sorry about that. You know what? Since this water fountain's leaking. What? No, stop.
I think it was
Look,
leaking already.
since this water fountain's leaking, guess what?
What? What? Wait, no. That scared me. You literally got half of this muddy, bro. Half of it muddy, half of it clean.
Oh yeah?
I think you're getting insurance on that.
No, I'm not doing that.
You're not getting insurance. Alright, see ya.
Oh yeah. Enough.
Here,